Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to control your photo green color and make it like eye friendly. So if you're new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl J of this layer, the background layer, and then select this one, layer 1, and go to the filter and camera raw filter. And you know that in a Creative Cloud version you are getting the camera raw filter and all the settings is same as like the Lightroom. So here is the basic panels. If you are the old user of the camera raw filter, if you're new user of camera raw filter, please here just basic options, tone curves, sharpening, or that means the detailing options, HSL and grayscale options, split toning options, lens correction, effects, camera calibration, and then the preset options. If you want to share your preset or your settings to your friend, you can go to the preset options, and here is the options and save settings options. So at first I'll apply all the effects and all the settings, how to control the green color, how to make like cool color, and then I'll go to the preset and save it for you guys, and I'll give you that download link in my video description. So keep watching. And from the basic panel you can control the temperature and tint, but I want to make the green color like eye friendly. That's why I'll just go to the HSL panel, and here all the colors, red to magenta, and saturation of green color I'll make it down, and the luminance I'll make it down. And after that I'll go to the camera calibration, and here is the primary colors, red, green and blue. So green color, if I make green color like this and give the saturation like this, and then again the saturation of the green color I'll make it down. Yeah, that's cool. And from the camera calibration, here the face color is changed, that's why I'll make it like this, and the saturation I'll make it down. So now neutralized, and you can use these options, but I'll use these options like that and add some saturation. And here HSL panel, I'll work with other colors like the face color and lips color. Face color is orange and priority, orange and yellow. So I'll go to the orange color and increase the luminance for the shiny look, and the saturation I'll add a little bit saturation. And the lips color I'll make the luminance red down, and the saturation I'll make it up. So here is the hue options. You can use the hue options to change the color mode, like pink to orange, orange to pink. So I'll make it a little bit pinkish, and the luminance I'll make it down, and saturation I'll make it up, and the saturation of orange I'll make it down, and yellow I'll make it up. That's cool. And from here the RGB options, I can change the color mode like this, so like this, the gamma, and then the blue color as well. So I'll make it this type of blue color. So you can control this one, the eye friendly green color with the mixture of the blue color mixture and other stuff, so it will make your photo more attractive actually. From the effects panel I'll make it like the dehaze like that, and from the curve tone or tone curve I'll make it like this. So before one and after, let's see. Yeah, that's nice. I think literally this one is nice and eye friendly green color for you, and it make your photography into the next level. So from here I'll adjust some things, something like highlights, and add some whites and shadow a little bit, and the clarity a little bit up, and variance I'll make it like this, the saturation I'll make it up, and work with the contrast and the exposure as well. And temperature and tint I'll make it a little bit cool like that, and the tint like that. And from the HSL panel I'll change the hue like Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, and then the sharpening, amount of sharpening, I'll add some amount of sharpening, and luminance of noise reduction, just because of if your photo has grain, you can remove the grain from the luminance options. So color, yeah, that's good. And then the split toning option, just make the saturation like 5 or 7, and you can change the like this one, so the highlights color, yeah, and the shadow color you can make it like that. So that's good. And from the effects option, I'll add some post crop vignetting like this. That's good. And let's see the before one and after one. So I'll save it from the preset options, and here is a little menu and the save settings, and save this one. I'll save it and I'll give you that download link in my video description. So green, the name of the preset will be green, and hit the OK button. Yeah, you'll get a new look of your photography. So now one technique to increase the eye color, so take a new blank layer and make it white, the foreground and background color, and go to the brush options. Here is the brush options, yeah, and first brush, and opacity will be like that. So make the brush size like the pupil or eyeball, whatever you can want, and just select once and once. Change the blending mode to the overlay options, and you can adjust the opacity like that. So the before one and after one, so you're getting the nice look. So before one, the first one, and the after one, so that's good. So if you want to get more like shiny or other things, you can use that. So one technique, another technique, just select these two things, make it group, make it like merge like that, and go to the filter options and Nick Collection Color Fix Pro 4. And this one is free plugins, you can use it. That download link in my video description. So it's loading. After loading this one, you'll get lots of filters, lots of things over there, and I'll use the cross processing filters, and here lots of methods. You can use one of methods from here. So you have to choose the perfect method, like this one. I'll use this one. So here is the option of strength. You can change this one if you make it like that, or you can use like that. So, and then hit the OK button. It will take some times to load it and give you the outputs. So yeah, finally let's see the before one and after one. You are getting the nice cool color actually, and the eye friendly green color. And if you don't know how to control the green color of your photography, then the green color will disturb and just low your quality, image quality. That means the quality of your photography will be down. So you have to know the techniques of control the green color. It's literally mandatory, or it will help you out to increase your photography level. So this one is a technique. One thing you can change, so go to the adjustment layer and the solid color, and change the blending mode to the soft light, and select here. You can change the other color of this your photography. That means you can adding another filter here, so you can change and choose and pick up the perfect color. That means like these or this color. So yeah, it will help you out to give the natural, that means how effect will be your photography. So yeah, that's good, and you can choose the and hit the OK button. After that, go to the adjustment layer again, and here is another curves options, and select here once, and just make it like up and lock it. Yeah, so let's see the before one and after one. you're getting the huge change in your photography. That means you're getting pro levels, so you can use this technique in your photography and all the things. That means it will be another way to represent your photography, so editing way actually. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to check out the video description for the new things or the preset download link. So until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today, and bye bye.